You are welcome to Harmony Store 365NG. And here again, we will be unveiling a new product called the Dell Allienware X14. Reason why I'm so much in love with this Dell Allienware X14, it's the one of the tiniest gaming laptop that has ever been produced. We are all more familiar with the bulky HP gaming laptop, but this Dell Alienware is very tiny. It's not bulky, unlike the previous experience we always have with the bulky gaming PC. So here is the Dell Alienware X14. So here I'm about to show you the design. Very tiny, sleeky, slim, and it's not heavy. The X14 series, the one I'm with it's a Core i7 12th generation processor. This is the 2021-2022 PC, of course. This PC comes with 16 gig RAM. It has a 512 solid state drive. It has an inbuilt 6 gigabyte dedicated graphics, NVIDIA RTX GeForce 6 gigabyte, 3060, yes. So this is loaded with Windows 11. It's not an S360, but it can go up to 90 degree. So you don't have to have scared of your laptop screen getting fault or the hinges getting broken. So you can get this laptop from Harmony Store. We are in IKEJA, we are in Maryland, we are in Lekki. You know all the stores that we are in. So you can get in any of the Harmony 365 store. Why you should buy this PC from us is, thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, you can comment, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you guys. See you once again.